Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing a couple unboxing videos for Record Store Day 2020 Black Friday edition. All this stuff can be purchased online at our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. The Bangles, Doll Revolution, very first time on vinyl and super limited. 1,500 hand-numbered copies on pink swirl vinyl. They actually hand-numbered them on the top. This is by Real Gone Music, which actually does a really solid job on these releases. I've opened Fountains of Wayne in another video, and it's a good-looking record. But yeah, let's check this out. This is going to be a popular title. Just because it's so limited. 1,500 of a record worldwide is like absolutely nothing. This is like ready-made collectible, right out the jump. That is the inside. Generic paper inner sleeve, unfortunately. But you've got a info sheet. Let's check it out. Super cool looking vinyl. Yeah, that's nice. Looks cool. Probably like 140 gram vinyl in that range, you know, standard weight, flat, no defects, looks pretty good. That side's looking pretty good. Actually, there's a... no, that's flat. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, this is going to be a hot one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out the website. Until next time.